Thank you for your interest in advanced manufacturing. My name is Mark Yoss. I'm the director of the Advanced Manufacturing Sciences Institute at Metropolitan State University of Denver. We're going to tell you everything you need to know. Take a look at this list here, or look at these photos and see the products that you use on a daily basis. What would your life be like without some of these things? We need people that can help produce these products that will help us get through our day. There's also application for manufacturing and making our lives better, whether you're interested in climate resilience or clean energy, clean water, disease, homelessness, hunger, all those things manufacturing can help improve. Let's draw the distinction between advanced manufacturing and traditional. So traditional primarily is manual processes, where advanced manufacturing, now we're talking automation. So that'd be the distinction between the two. And you may not realize it, but we're in the midst of the fourth industrial revolution. The first, the steam engine, and we were able to automate textile manufacturing back in the 1780s. The second comes along with electricity, and now we have the assembly line, and think Ford Motor Company and a car coming off the production line. The third was the computer for computer numerical control, and we can control our machines. And then the fourth kicks in as of about 2015, where we're merging the physical and the virtual world. Synonymous with Industry 4.0 and the fourth industrial revolution are these 9 pillars of technologies that are coming into play for manufacturing. With simulation, we're now talking digital twins. So instead of a physical prototype, we can make a virtual prototype. We can develop the product in the computer, simulate the operation of the product, iterate back and forth on the design until we have a good product and ready to move forward. System integration, this is where we have factories that are all over the globe and they're tied together as if they were one factory. The Internet of Things, we use sensors at the edge to pick up temperature, vibration of different products that we use, even the machines that we use to produce products. And then that information is fed into a higher level so that we can look at that information and be able to use it as we're producing our products. And because we're using the Internet of Things, cybersecurity is important. It turns out that manufacturing is the most hacked industry that we have. Bad actors are out there trying to steal the intellectual property so that they can build the knockoff products that they can try to undercut and sell. Cloud computing with the Internet of Things, now we need to be able to just store all this information that we've got. Additive manufacturing, take a look at this product here, and there's no way that could be built with subtractive manufacturing, with the traditional manufacturing. It's a whole different way of thinking, a whole different way of design, but it allows us to produce products that we never could have thought of before. Augmented reality, you probably know virtual reality, you're fully immersed. Augmented reality, you put on a headset and you're still seeing the product that you're working on, but inside the glasses are the work instructions that tell you what step to do, what to do next in the sequence of producing that product. In this case, you see the green and the blue dots. That's one of the things that's being shown only with those goggles so that you see what holes need to be worked on next. And then another place that manufacturing gets to claim to be number one is in big data. We generate the most data in manufacturing. We need data scientists that can then analyze that information and use it for the decisions that need to be made to produce our products more effectively and efficiently. Autonomous robots. So think an Amazon fulfillment center. Instead of someone running around grabbing products off shelves, we can put robots to work doing those tasks. So then a typical day in manufacturing, you start off with the design and you ensure that whatever is being designed is producible, something that could be made with the capabilities that we have. You do a prototype. I mentioned a virtual prototype, but there's still a physical prototype that you see whether or not the product is going to work the way you intended. And then a production cycle. You set up a production line so that you can run multiple copies of the product that you're producing. Inspection is important. We need to ensure that what we've built matches the design. So we use all kinds of instruments for measuring. Then the assembly, we've made sub-assemblies, components, parts, all that comes together then for the final product. And we have to test. We need to test to ensure that the product is going to work in the environment that it's going to be used in and that it's going to have a long life. And then once we're in operation, we periodically, there may be some maintenance or some rework that has to happen with a product. So now you've seen that entire life cycle for manufacturing. And just a quick note then about what different industries come to play with manufacturing. So here we're looking at the top 100 manufacturing companies in Colorado, and you'll note that food and beverage, beer, wine, and spirits, that's still considered manufacturing. We're producing a product from raw materials. And then if you look at some of the other categories here, some of the things that you see, there's lots of opportunity for work here in Colorado. All right, that's what I have for you today, and then what you'll see on our website is a handful of other videos that will go into more depth about different types of manufacturing.